Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you're watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this thoroughly to take your decision. Your well like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. So let us start the day to analyze the movements of natural gas futures. So friends, here you can see a daily chart of natural gas futures. Here you can see that how the natural gas futures have been maintaining an uptrend since June 26, 2020, when the natural gas futures tested a low at the levels of $1.4 on June 26. Since then, we have seen a sharp rally in natural gas futures when the natural gas futures tested a high at the levels of $2.730 on August 28, 2020, and after that the natural gas futures found a sharp sell-off from these levels and tested a low at the levels of $1.793 on September 21st. But from here, we can see the natural gas futures have found a strong base here. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures found a strong support at the levels of $1.8. And here, after sustaining for 3 trading sessions, the natural gas futures started a steep upward move on September 23rd when it finally tested an high at the levels of $2.789 on September 28th. So friends, here I find that this level seems to be an important level for natural gas futures. So friends, here you can see that how the natural gas futures once again tested an high at the levels of $3.395 on October 30th, 2020, and from here the natural gas futures started to move downward and tested a low at the levels of $2.247 on December 28, 2020. But since then, you can see that how the natural gas futures have made an high at the levels of $2.893, what they tested on January 2021. So this was a move which could be repeated now from here. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures once again tested a high at the levels of $3.316 on February 17, 2021, from where a steep downward move continued in natural gas futures, and the natural gas futures finally tested a low at the levels of $2.424 on March 18, 2021, and since then we have seen a consolidation here. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures remained under heavy bearish pressure. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures constantly tried to reach the immediate resistance at $2.563 since March 12th, but could not, and finally found a downward move when they tested a low at the levels of $2.462 on April 6, 2021. But here you can see that since April 7, 2021, the natural gas futures have been maintaining an uptrend where the natural gas futures have already tested the psychological resistance at $3 on May 4, 2021. And since then, we have seen the natural gas futures have been consolidating amid a narrow range between the levels of $2.895. Here you can see that how the natural gas futures have finally tested a low today at the levels of $2.882 and currently trading at the levels of $2.924. So here you can see that how the formation of this bullish hammer looks evident enough for the continuation of a bullish uptrend in natural gas futures, where the natural gas futures could test the levels of $3.439 before May 25th, 2021.